Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today, and today we have a good video for you guys, man. Bitcoin is crashing. Is it over for Bitcoin? I feel like I knew this was gonna happen because, man, China is coming up with their own currency, own digital currency, so they don't want any outside threats to their currency that they're kind of generating with kind of like Alipay and like Tencent, and they're working with them to make their own type of coin. So you can understand and like see this coming from a mile away. And guys, even with the US government, man, they didn't know what to do with Bitcoin. They didn't even know how to handle it. They were even thinking about making their own coin and how they're gonna kind of like hinder it. They're putting like tax regulation on. They're doing a lot of stuff, guys. So this is huge news. Is this a buying opportunity for Bitcoin? Like, what's going on? What are your thoughts on this? So let's read some of this. China's renowned crypto crackdown wipes 400 billion off the market as Bitcoin slides. So China's renowned crackdown on cryptocurrency industry wiped off around 400 billion in value off digital currency market since Friday. So all these bitcoins are crashing right now. On Friday, authorities in China, Sichuan province ordered cryptocurrency miners to shut down the operations. So guys, the good thing is that like people are thinking that actually like people from China, people like in different like industries, because you guys gotta remember that China is producing most of the Bitcoin. They're mining most of this Bitcoin, and there's a lot of like in-house investment in Bitcoin. So that's why this is such huge news. So China actually cracking down on this is pretty big. But the thing is, guys, you gotta remember is that people are saying that like even in the long run, people will probably move away or create other operations. Because this Sichuan province is known for having so much Bitcoin mining there. So, what do you think? Do you think this is like a feasible thing? Like, in the future, like, most people are probably going to get away from China and actually start their own operations in different parts where it's like legal. Because you got to remember, El Salvador just said they're going to start taking cryptocurrencies like for even government stuff and even for like consumer product stuff. So you can see some provinces moving in that direction, but places like China, which kind of Bitcoin might threaten the economy and creates bubbles, they're kind of stopping it. So what do you think about that? So China's crackdown on cryptocurrency industry has wiped off 400 billion value total digital currency market since Friday, when a major Bitcoin mining hub ordered miners to shut down their operations. So it's just the banning is going crazy. China's Sichuan province ordered cryptocurrency miners to shut down their operations, according to multiple media reports. Sichuan is the biggest Bitcoin mining centers in China, and that's it right there. That's why this is such big news. Because now these operations need to move somewhere else where it's going to be allowed, and the government's going to allow these operations to take place. Many Bitcoin mines in southwestern Chinese province were closed as of Sunday, according to state-backed tabloid and Global Times. The move in Sichuan comes after other mining-intensive provinces in China, including Inner Mongolia, also shut down crypto mining. In May, Beijing called for a crackdown on Bitcoin, highlighting how the order has trickled down from the top. People's Bank of China spoke to Alipay, the payment service run by Alibaba affiliate Ant Group, and some major financial institutions in the central bank says urged them not to provide services related to cryptocurrency activities, including account openings or clearing and settlement. So guys, they're going hard on this. They're going far with this. They're telling Alipay, which is a huge reason why people were like moving on to Alipay and app, because they were accepting Bitcoin and they were allowing transactions. So they're just gonna, they're not even, they're threatened. They're gonna tell Alipay to stop doing and handling all that. Like, so that's having a huge effect on the market right now. So do you guys believe in this theory too? Like, do you think the US and China are kind of coordinating this too? Because remember, like, the US was threatened by Bitcoin, and the better Bitcoin got and the more money Bitcoin was making for people, you can kind of see how the government was tensing up about it, and they're trying to figure out stuff, how they're gonna work, how they're gonna do this. So you know the U.S. government is happy that this stuff is happening in China, and the people are gonna think Bitcoin is less reliable though, less reliable now. But even though it's still a strong coin, and it has like the product of the Bitcoin and what it does, the blockchain is like amazing kind of technology. So it's not that bad, but you know the government was threatened because we know what the government's doing with the interest rates and what's doing to the currency, which is killing it. And Bitcoin was kind of like a solution to that. So maybe like the governments are even like working together on that aspect of making sure, because remember, China is the hub for mining Bitcoin. So that might have some correlation. I don't know, like who knows, but that could be probably a thing in my mind. So just this goes to show you that people came out, most people came out and said like they don't know the downside. Like can this go further down? Like how much farther can this go down for Bitcoin? Because these losses are gonna get huge, they're gonna get big, and you're gonna have to be able to take it. Also, if you know the downside and you can predict that, then you should probably be buying more. This is not financial advice, but you should buy more if you are confident in Bitcoin and the technology and what it can do in the future. But personally, me, like, I don't know, like, maybe if it gets down to 19,000, let's see what it's at right now. 29,000. So, man, like, it was already at like 50, 60, like, the beginning of the year or like last year. So, you can just see how far it's fell down, and who knows how far it can go down. Maybe I'd be interested in it goes down a little bit more, put like $1,000, $2,000, 5,000, whatever amount in it, just to see where it goes and where it can come to. But, guys, tell me what you think about this news, man. Because Bitcoin, man, is superb technology with the blockchain and all that stuff. But if China's gonna crack down on it, like 2/3 of all like the mining and the investment is from China. So this is having a huge impact. So guys, tell me what you think about this whole situation, what you're doing with your BTC, guys. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel. I'll get back to you in the next video. Peace.